After Darjeeling, my next destination was Sikkim. I had no plan from where to start to explore this beautiful place. So, having started from Darjeeling, as I was riding down the Himalayan ranges, the scenic beauty and the Tista River almost took my breath away. As I was riding down the Tista River, the beauty almost forced me to halt and enjoy the scenic beauty of Tista River for a while. So, having crossed this bridge, I entered into Sikkim. So, this is the famous river which separates Darjeeling from Sikkim. So, finally, I could not stop myself, so I took a detour, left the highway, and went along the river to enjoy the cool and the calm breeze of the mighty Tista River. After having enjoyed the beautiful riverside view of the Tista River, I entered into Sikkim. In Sikkim, there's a place called Singtam where my friend Isan of the Open Road Wanderers Motorcycle Club Sikkim was waiting for me with all the permits ready, which will allow me to explore the North Sikkim as well as Nathula passes. In Sikkim that night, I took a halt at Isan's place. Actually, he invited me for a night stay. Staying at his place was a great experience for me because it was the first time when I've ever spent a time in a rider's family. So this is Isan who is now seeing me off and wishing me luck for my next Gurudungmar ride. For all the riders who are planning to visit North Sikkim, the famous Gurudungmar Lake, for them Lachen is a sort of base camp in which they can stay for a night and next day they can start off early morning for the Gurudungmar Lake. There are many homestays and resorts where you can spend a very beautiful evening in Lachen. The last refueling station when you are going to Gurudungmar Lake is at a small town called Mangan, from where you can also apply permit to visit Gurudungmar Lake.
Life is all about adventure. First of all, I dropped my wallet. I had to go back around 10 kilometers to a place called Singik to get back my purse from a school teacher who was kind enough to return my wallet. After that, at the North Sikkim, there's a place called Post. So there they checked my documents and they said that my permit is not complete. So now from Tungpost, I'm going back to Makhan, place called Mangan. from the DC office I have to make my permit again. I left my bike in the Tum post and I'm right now in a civil transport, so which will take me. Actually the road condition is too bad and I have already done one time to and fro, so I don't want to take my bike again. So I've left my bike there in Tum post.
After riding for the entire day, in the evening at 5:30, I reached Lachen and took a night halt.